Hello all, this is Dr. Mansi. Welcome to my channel Plant Passion 16. And today we'll be talking about this Aglaonema plant, which is a really very colorful plant, colorful foliage plants I can say. I bought this plant in 2018 and it was just one or two stalks, and I left it in the same pot for about 3 years. And here you can see the stems, lot of new growths. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8 stems have come. I did not propagate this plant at all, and it has grown this big. It has filled the pot and it's super amazing. It's really super amazing. See the appearance of this. Now let's talk about the sunlight. No bright light is good for the plant. It burns the leaves. But these leaves, as you can see, they are all very fresh and the color of the foliage. I have kept it in indirect sunlight. Bright light I can say, not bright sunlight, just bright light. And each and every part of the plant looks very healthy. This is a semi-shade plant, I can say. Morning sunlight the plant can bear, but not the west side sunlight, as it may scorch the leaves, it may damage the leaves. Regarding the soil conditions, I have kept it in normal soil with just 50% of the coco peat, and I had added the manure or the fertilizer only once while I had potted this plant, and I did not add any fertilizer since that. But the light conditions, the climatic conditions and the watering conditions, I have maintained it, and therefore this is the condition or the display of the plant. I have kept it indoors. Maybe I'll keep it for 2 or 3 days, and later on again I will shift it to the original place, so that the color for which I purchased this plant will be maintained, and the colorful display also will add value to my garden. Now I have kept this on a glass teapot. Isn't it looking super beautiful? Now this I can place as a center table piece, even on a dining table or a corner piece if I have got bright light. But I generally don't keep this in very dark corner, because dark corner affects the leaf structure. So about the propagation, just this plant can be propagated through cuttings. Now this stem I can just cut it over here and plant it. There are various varieties of this Aglaonema plant, but this plant is a beautiful plant with green and red plant. I miss the plant every alternate day, and this is the really very interesting according to me. A water alternate day that I have already told. And what happens is, this plant, it has some marks of the water is sprayed or the raindrops, so I will have to clean it. But I don't add any fertilizers or anything. I don't spray with any chemicals or anything. Let's see, these are the yellow leaves. These yellow leaves need to be just clipped off. So we don't want that, because they will take all the energy. So we don't want any yellow leaves to take off the energy and disturb our plant display. So this is all the plant. I've taken off all this yellow color leaves, because they will take up all the energy of the plant, and we don't want that. So This is about the plant. Even one more over here. It's also yellow leaf. I'm going to just take out. No, so yeah, this is it. So this all will go away. So you get actually many varieties of Aglaonema, but I love this variety as it is green and red midrib and red edges. I love this foliage and therefore I have it in my collection. I think that's all for today. Happy gardening!